what is the H-1B visa and how could DACA individuals even benefit from that? Why is that the natural place for some of these people to flow into?
So an H-1B visa is a visa for someone who is going to be working in what USCIS calls a specialty occupation. That really just means typically a profession, someone with a professional degree. Classic examples, although it's not limited to classic examples, are engineers, architects, attorneys. And it's become a very popular visa for employers, US employers, a lot of big employers, FANG employers, Fortune 500 employers who want and can't find talent in the US in IT, finance, and some other fields. So the problem is that there's a very limited number of these visas that are allotted every year.
Right.
There's essentially a lottery. It's not officially called a lottery. It's an employer is allowed to register a prospective employee. Many of them are already working for the employer on their post-graduation OPT EAD. These are students who are here legally. And, you maybe have a 10% chance of being selected in the lottery. And you've got students who are here with STEM degrees and they max out their 3 years of STEM OPT EAD, permission to work here post-graduation, and aren't able to stay here. They're not
Right.
able to get an H-1B. An H-1B is also a path to a green card. So many of these employees end up getting green cards. They end up being sponsored by the US employer, typically through the labor certification process, and ultimately, get lawful permanent residence status here and become US citizens. So it's a good path, but unfortunately an insufficient path due to the quota limits for a lot of professionals and people with the kind of assets and learning that we should want to keep in the United States.